Dinner time. You sit down ready to eat. What's on your plate? A juicy steak or a colorful veggie stir-fry? The choice seems simple, but it sparks a big debate. Meat eaters and vegetarians often butt heads over which diet reigns supreme. Is one truly healthier? Does it make you stronger? Let's dig in and see who comes out on top. This isn't just about taste buds, it's about your health. We're talking strength, energy, and even how long you live. So grab a fork and let's explore the battle of the diets, veg versus non-veg. First up, let's peek at what each diet brings to the table. Whether you're a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian, there's a lot to explore and enjoy. Each diet has its own unique benefits and flavors that can cater to different tastes and nutritional needs. Vegetarian diets are packed with plant power. They are rich in a variety of nutrients that are essential for maintaining good health. Fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes are bursting with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These components are crucial for a healthy digestive system, strong immune function, and overall well-being. Think of it like loading up on nature's own health potions. Each bite of a fresh vegetable or fruit is like taking a sip of a magical elixir that boosts your health and vitality. Non-vegetarian diets, on the other hand, have a star player: protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall growth and development. Meat, poultry, and fish are protein powerhouses. They provide a complete source of protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. They provide essential amino acids, which are like building blocks for your body. These amino acids are crucial for muscle growth, tissue repair, and overall bodily functions. But hold on. Vegetarian diets can still bring protein to the party. You don't have to rely solely on meat to get your protein fix. Beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts are packed with it. These plant-based proteins can be just as effective in meeting your daily protein requirements. It's all about choosing a variety of foods to get what your body needs. By incorporating a mix of both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options, you can ensure a well-rounded and balanced diet that supports your health and satisfies your taste buds. So what's on your plate today? Let's talk muscles. Bodybuilders often swear by meat for building those bulging biceps, and it's true. Protein from animal sources helps repair and grow muscles. Take, for example, a weightlifter. After an intense workout, their muscles need protein to recover and become stronger. A chicken breast or a salmon fillet can provide a quick and easy protein boost. But don't discount the power of plants just yet. Vegetarian athletes are proving that you can be strong and fit on a meat-free diet. Don't let the leafy greens fool you. Plant-based diets can pack a punch. Think of Popeye and his spinach. While spinach alone might not give you superhuman strength, it does contain iron, which helps your muscles use oxygen. Many plant-based foods are rich in protein too. Lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa are all excellent sources. These foods provide the building blocks your muscles need, even without the meat. The key is to eat a variety of plant-based protein sources throughout the day. This ensures you're getting all the essential amino acids your muscles need to thrive. Section 5, the long and short of it, lifespans and diets. Now let's talk about the long game: longevity. Does a vegetarian or non-vegetarian diet help you live longer? This is where things get really interesting. Some studies suggest that vegetarians might have a slight edge in the longevity department. They tend to have lower risks of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. But here's the catch. It's not just about what you eat, but how you live. Smoking, lack of exercise, and stress can all shorten your lifespan, regardless of your diet. Section 6, going the distance: which diet wins the marathon? So in this epic food fight, who crosses the finish line first? Is it the plant-powered vegetarian or the protein-packed non-vegetarian? The truth is, there's no single winner. Each diet has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Both vegetarian and non-vegetarian diets have their pros and cons. For instance, a vegetarian diet is often rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. On the other hand, non-vegetarian diets can provide essential nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for muscle function and overall health. It's like comparing apples and oranges. Both fruits are nutritious, but they offer different vitamins and minerals. Similarly, both diets can be healthy if they are well planned and balanced. The key is to choose the diet that best suits your individual needs and preferences. Consulting with a nutritionist can help tailor a diet plan that aligns with your health goals and lifestyle. Ultimately, the best diet is one that you can stick with long-term. It should be enjoyable, sustainable, and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember, consistency is key. Whether you choose a vegetarian or non-vegetarian diet, the focus should be on whole, unprocessed foods and a variety of nutrients to support your marathon training and overall well-being. So, lace up your running shoes, fuel your body with the right foods, and get ready to cross that finish line strong and healthy. Your diet is your personal marathon, and the journey is just as important as the destination. Section 7. A balanced bite for a better life. Instead of focusing on labels like vegetarian or non-vegetarian, let's shift our attention to balance. A healthy diet should include a variety of foods from all food groups. Think of your plate like a rainbow. Fill it with colorful fruits and vegetables, lean protein sources, whole grains, and healthy fats. This ensures you're getting a wide range of nutrients to support your overall health and well-being. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about nourishment. Choose foods you enjoy and that make you feel good. Section 8. Beyond the plate factors that weigh in. While diet plays a crucial role in health and longevity, it's not the only factor at play. What we eat is undeniably important, but it's just one piece of a much larger puzzle when it comes to our overall well-being. Your lifestyle choices, genetics, and environment also have a significant impact. These elements intertwine to shape our health outcomes in ways that are both complex and fascinating. Regular exercise, for instance, is like a magic pill for your body. It doesn't just keep you fit, it has a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond physical appearance. It strengthens your heart, boosts your mood, and helps you maintain a healthy weight. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and it can even improve your sleep patterns. Stress management is equally important. In our fast-paced world, finding ways to unwind and relax is crucial for maintaining mental and physical health. Chronic stress can take a toll on your health, increasing your risk of various diseases. It can lead to issues such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and a weakened immune system. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature, is essential. These activities can help lower stress hormones, reduce inflammation, and improve your overall sense of well-being. Additionally, engaging in hobbies and activities that bring you joy can be a powerful way to combat stress. Whether it's painting, journaling, or simply spending time with loved ones, these moments of happiness contribute to a healthier, more balanced life. Social connections also play a vital role. Being part of a community, having supportive relationships, and feeling connected to others can significantly enhance your quality of life and longevity. Lastly, never underestimate the power of mental health. Practices like mindfulness and continuous learning can keep your mind sharp and resilient, helping you navigate life's challenges with greater ease. In conclusion, while diet is a cornerstone of health, it's the combination of various factors that truly shapes our well-being. Embracing a holistic approach to health can lead to a more fulfilling and vibrant life. Section 9. Listen to your body, make informed choices. Ultimately, the best diet for you is the one that makes you feel your best. Pay attention to how different foods affect your energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. If you're considering making a significant dietary change, it's always a good idea to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can help you create a personalized meal plan that meets your individual needs. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about nutrition and how it affects your body, the better equipped you'll be to make informed choices. Section 10. The verdict. It's a tie. In the battle of the diets, there's no clear winner. Both vegetarian and non-vegetarian approaches can be healthy and support a long and active life. The most important factor is to choose a way of eating that aligns with your values, preferences, and individual needs. Focus on balance, variety, and moderation, and enjoy the journey of nourishing your body with delicious and nutritious foods. Ultimately, the key to a long and healthy life is not about rigid diets, but about making sustainable, healthy choices that you can enjoy day after day. Section 11. Stay hungry for knowledge. Join the food fight. This is just the beginning of our food adventure. We've only scratched the surface of the fascinating world of nutrition and its impact on our health and well-being. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest research, practical tips for building healthy habits, and delicious recipes to nourish your body from the inside out. Subscribe now.